Hello my dear students, today I am going to continue the first chapter, that is the introduction. So in that introduction we have already discussed about the central problems. Now today I am going to discuss production possibility frontier, PPF, and some says that it is PPC, production possibility curve. Okay, so before entering in this topic, two things you must know. First, that is the opportunity cost, and second, the marginal opportunity cost. So opportunity cost, it is a very simple definition. It is the next best alternative for gone. Once again, it is the next best alternative for gone. So for gone means sacrifice. Just I want to explain opportunity cost with the help of an example. Suppose you have 20,000 rupees and you want to purchase two things, one laptop and other LED TV. So here you have only 20,000 rupees. Due to that you are unable to buy both the goods altogether. So it has created a problem of choice. So you will move only for those goods where or that good is most important, and other goods you will have to sacrifice. Suppose you purchase a laptop, it means you are going to sacrifice LED TV. So why this situation occurred, we have already discussed in the central problem, that our resources are limited, and due to the limited resources we will have to make a choice, and due to that it is told the economics deals with the choice, and after the choice of their requirements they fulfill their needs. So opportunity cost is the next best alternative, and I think you will be able to understand here that the things which is sacrificed, such as laptop, and laptop will be considered as opportunity cost. Is it clear?
Start.
Now come to the marginal opportunity cost. Here that is a single term, that is the marginal, and the remaining term is above, that is the opportunity cost. So as you know, marginal means change. So change means what? If you are ready to buy one thing, you will have to sacrifice another. So marginal opportunity cost is equal to loss of Y goods divided by gain of X goods. Is it clear? So we can say if there are two goods X and Y, so the marginal opportunity cost is equal to delta Y by delta X. Means loss of Y goods divided by gain of X goods. Is it clear? And on that basis we will be able to explain PPF, production possibility in frontier. Okay. We can also say PPC, production possibility curve. Production possibility curve. So production possibility curve. First of all, just listen the definition. It is a graphical representation of all possible of two goods which can be produced from the given resources and the given technology. In other words, we can say It is the graphical representation of two goods which indicates the different possible combination of both from the given resources and the given technology. So this is known as production possibility curve. Okay, so it can be explained before with the help of schedule and graph. So before entering in the schedule and graph, according to the definition, the three main points, and that is known as assumption. So what are the assumption? First assumption is what? Two goods. So more than two goods, it is very difficult to plot or in the graph. So the goods must be two. Second, given technology, means technology should not change. And third, given resources. So neither the change in technology nor the change in resources, if we apply the production possibility curve, can be gained. So these are known as assumption. Okay, so on that assumptions, first see a schedule how it works. Let there are two goods, suppose Y and X. It may be, suppose, gun and X may be butter. So look here, if we apply all the resources in the production of gun and we are capable to produce 21 units of gun, the production of butter will be 0 because all the resources are applied in the production of gun. So the production of butter will be 0. Now, if we want to increase the production of X, means butter, it means we will have to sacrifice the production of gun. So suppose 1 unit of butter, if I am going to produce, it means at least 1 unit of gun will be sacrificed. Now if I want to increase the 2 units, it means at least 2 units of gun will be sacrificed. So that is 18. 3, that is 15. 4, that is 11. 5, that is 6. And if we want to produce 6 unit of butter, the gun production of gun will become 0. So on that basis, what you find? So here MOC, marginal opportunity cost, is equal to, as I told you, loss of Y goods divided by gain of X good. So on that basis, here the MOC will be MOC will be nothing. There is no change in production. This is the first unit, so there is no change in production. That's why marginal opportunity cost is dash. Here that is the change 1:1. Means 1 unit of gun is sacrificed only to gain 1 unit of butter. Here 2 units of gun is sacrificed only to gain 1 extra or additional unit of butter. to gain. So 2:1. So here again 3:1. Again 4:1. Again 5:1. Again 6:1. So what it indicates? It indicates that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we want to increase the production of butter, we will have to sacrifice more and more units of gun. So why this problem creates? So we know that MOC is here rising, and that problem arises due to a single factors. So all the resources are not equally capable to produce all the goods. So if here there is no capability to produce both the goods at a time in a particular proportion, because all the resources are not equal, and that's why the MOC increases. Okay. So here we find that MOC is rising. So why MOC is rising? Because as much as production of butters increases, the productivity and the efficiency of other resources, such as in the production of gun, it continuously decline, and that's why MOC increases. Now it can be explained with the help of following diagram. So look here, there are two axes. One is the y-axis and other is x-axis. So on the y-axis, that is the production of gun is shown. Production of gun is shown. On the x-axis, production of butter is taken. Is it clear? Now, whatever the resources we have, if we apply in the production of gun, suppose that is up to this level and indicates that is 21 and the point is taken A. So 21 units of gun will be produced from the given resources and the given technology, and in that case the butter will be 0, or the production of butter will be 0. Now on the other hand, if we apply the whole resources in the production of butter, so let that is the 6 unit of butter, that is denoted by B, is produced, in that case the production of gun will be 0. Now, so what it indicates? It indicates that the resources and the technology, whatever we have, we are capable to produce within A and B point, or maximum 21 units of gun, or 0 units of butter, or maximum 6 units of butters and 0 units of gun. So here, according to the definition, it is told that the production possibility curve represents the different possible combination of two goods. So here I can take some example to locate what are the combinations. So these are the combinations, suppose A, B, C, D. So these are the combination, and it indicates that from the given resources either we can produce, that is the suppose that is the, this is the 20, this is the 1, this is the 18, this is the 2, next that is the 15, that is the 3. So in this way we can say the B points indicate 20:1 or 1:1. So 1 unit is sacrificed here. Here 2 units is sacrificed, that is the 18:2 or 2:1. Here that is the 3 unit is sacrificed, so 15:3 or 3:1. So when D points indicate that from the given resources and the given technology, we are capable to produce 15 units of gun and 3 units of butter. Or we can say, if we want to increase the number of butter, we will have to sacrifice more and more guns. So overall conclusion is that from the given resources, the PPC indicates that from the given resources, different possible combination can be obtained, and it also indicates the maximum output of 2 goods from the given resources. Now come to the third points. So this is the most important. Here that is known as, suppose this is a point, this is known as G point. So G point indicates unattainable point, because we are unable to reach up this level because our resources are limited. So unless the resources will not increase, we are unable to reach at this point, and that's why it is known as unattainable point. Or any point which lies between inside the PPC, that is known as under utilization of resources. So here the resources are not properly utilized, and that's why H point indicates underutilization of resources, and any point which lies on PPC, it indicates proper or maximum utilization of resources. Is it clear? So there are 3 points H, C, G. So any point which lies on PPC, that is known as maximum utilization of resources. Any point which is inside the PPC, it indicates underutilization of resources, and any point beyond the PPC, that is known as unattainable point. Is it clear? So in this video we have learned all these things. Okay.